Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning.
This is Rob.
And Beth.
And?
Eliza.
How old are you, Eliza?
I'm 3.
Yes, and we are so glad you're joining us for story time. And today we have something very special. But first, we're going to sing our song that we start every week off with.
The more we get
Together.
The more we get together, together, together. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Ha! We're gonna laugh! The more we laugh together, together, together. The more we laugh together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we laugh together, the happier we'll be. And one more. This one's new. The more we eat together, together, together. The more we eat together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we eat together, the happier we'll be.
Yum, 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 yum. Today we're going to talk about food. Who likes eating?
Me.
Me. Now, we made some special bread. Maybe your mommy and daddy made some bread too. But if not, you can watch what we do with our bread. So I'm going to go get it. Actually, daddy can get it. It's right there. It's been rising. And I'm going to show you. Whoop, there's the dough. I'm going to let Eliza poke her finger in it. Can you stick your finger in there? Whoa, what does it feel like?
Make sure you wash your hands before you do this.
A ball.
A ball?
Yeah.
You want to do another poke? Poke. Another one? Poke. Awesome. Well, before we bake, it's a good idea to wash your hands and to put on an apron. So we will say that we washed our hands, and we are going to now, yes, you also can wash your hands in that sink. Now here's an apron for you. We're going to start singing a song as we get ready to bake. Do you know a baker girl, a baker girl, a baker girl? Eliza is a baker girl, she lives on Cherry Lane.
And in this one, we're going to say Goldie, but when you hear Goldie, you can say your name instead. Do you know the Baker kids, the Baker kids, the Baker kids? Goldie is a Baker kid, she lives on Cherry Lane.
Goldie is here too.
One more. Here, let's move back and we'll bring the table out. Do you like baking bread?
Baking bread, baking bread.
We all like baking bread. Right here.
Right here, because we like to be fed.
Oh, yes.
Whoa.
Yum, yum, yum.
So here's our dough, and we sprinkled some flour on the surface of our table so the dough wouldn't stick. Eliza's running her fingers through that flour. So we're folding it over and we're punching it down. And I'm going to break it into 3 pieces. One for me, one for
Eliza.
and one for
Daddy.
Daddy.
All right. Have you ever heard the rhyme pat a cake, pat a cake? We're going to do that with our dough. So do some punching.
Flatten it out.
You can make a pancake, or you can roll it up and make a snake. But we're going to start our rhyme. And if you don't have dough, you can use your hands and pretend, and you can do some clapping and patting, okay? Here we go. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll up the dough, pat it, and mark it with a B. And throw it in the oven for baby and me. Let's try it again. Pat a cake, baker's man.
Bake me a cake as fast as you can.
Roll
I'm
it
making a snake.
Pat
I'm
it.
making a snake.
and
Good.
mark it with
an
a
E.
and throw it in the oven for Eliza and me. So what do we have here? Rob, what did you make?
I made a long snake that I'm gonna twirl up into a cinnamon roll shape.
Ooh.
Look at this.
Eliza, what did you make?
I made
Is it a pancake?
it's actually a snake.
Oh.
Cool.
I made a snake.
What did Mommy make? Boop.
A snowman.
A little baby snowman. So, I'm gonna bring a pan over, or Daddy can bring a pan over,
I got it.
and we're gonna put our bread creations on the pan, and we're gonna put it in the oven and let it bake so that we can eat our yummy special bread. 1,
And
2, 3.
there they are. And the instructions for all of this are below the video, so you can see how to do it yourself in your home later, even if you're not doing it with us now.
Now, while Rob puts these in the oven for 10 minutes, I'm going to teach you and you a poem that I wrote myself when I was a younger girl. Would you like to learn it?
Yeah.
It's very easy. It goes like this. Food, food, food. I'm always in the mood. Yum, yum, yum. I'll eat up every crumb. Do you want to try it with me, Liza?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Food, food, food. I'm always in the mood. Yum, yum, yum. I'll eat up every crumb. Should we pretend to eat? I'll give you a little bite. Mm.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is tractor.
Crackers?
Yeah.
Crackers are delicious. Mommy, what is your favorite food?
Oh, I love pasta.
What is your favorite food?
I really like curries. So yummy. And you know what? We're gonna sing 2 songs now while the bread is baking that talk about different kinds of food that you probably like. And the first one is about 2 different kinds of fruits. What is this?
Apple.
Yes! This looks like a delicious red, juicy, crispy apple.
Crunchy.
It's cold. And what is this?
Banana.
I love to put banana on my cereal and in my smoothies.
I don't like banana.
You don't, but sometimes you do. We're gonna sing a song about apples and bananas. And it's very easy. And it goes like
We're gonna let
this.
Daddy just play for this time, and you and me can sing, okay? Goldie wants to sing too.
I like to eat apples and bananas.
I like
To eat apples and bananas. Ready? I like to eat apples and bananas. What? I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Bananas? I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to opals and bananas. I like to opals and bananas. like to oot, 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 ooples and banoonies. I like to oot, 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 ooples and banoonies. I like to ite, apples and bananas. I like to ite, apples and bananas. Let's sing the normal one. I like to eat, apples and bananas. I like to eat, apples and bananas. Yummy. Okay. Well, I sure like fruit. Do you like fruit?
I like apple.
Yes.
Apple.
But do you know what? We eat more than fruit. We also eat vegetables.
You know, fruit and vegetables are all from this earth. God created this world with things that grow, and they're meant for our bodies, and they're so healthy for us. So we're going to do a song about vegetables, and Eliza's going to help us pull out some vegetables, and you can call out what it is, okay?
All right.
There's lots of different colors.
Vegetables, vegetables, we like eating vegetables. Great big vegetables.
Little tiny vegetables.
Vegetables, vegetables, we like eating vegetables. Here is a vegetable that we know.
What is it?
Carrot.
It's a carrot.
Yummy!
Are carrots squishy?
No.
Are they crunchy?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Vegetables, vegetables, we like eating vegetables. Great big vegetables.
Little tiny vegetables.
Vegetables, vegetables, we like eating vegetables. Here is a vegetable that we know. What's it gonna be?
Put it up high.
Green pepper.
It's a big one.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Vegetables, vegetables, we like eating vegetables. Great big vegetables.
Little tiny vegetables.
Vegetables, vegetables, we like eating vegetables. Here is a vegetable that we know.
Ooh.
Ooh, what is that, Eliza?
Onion.
It looks like onion. It's actually garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic is so healthy for our bodies. Kinda
Ooh,
spicy.
you might not want to do that. Vegetables, vegetables, we like eating vegetables. Great big vegetables.
Little tiny vegetables.
Vegetables, vegetables, we like eating vegetables. Here is a vegetable that we know. Got a few more here. What is it? What is it?
Cucumber.
Oh, it looks like a cucumber. It's a zucchini.
Zucchini.
Vegetables, vegetables, we like eating vegetables. Great big vegetables.
Little tiny vegetables.
Vegetables, vegetables, we like eating vegetables. Here is a vegetable that we know. Whoa, what is that?
Eggplant.
It's an eggplant. Now there's an interesting vegetable. Have you ever had an eggplant before?
I have.
Yes.
It's my favorite new food.
Really? Yes, we are just trying it for the very first time
It's
with Eliza.
a new vegetable for her.
Okay, we're gonna do one more, and you can pick one of these three. Ready? Vegetables, vegetables, we like eating vegetables. Great big vegetables.
Little tiny vegetables.
Vegetables, vegetables, we like eating vegetables. Here is a vegetable that we know. Oh, it's a big one. What is it?
Potato.
Mm.
The potato.
Do you know what they use potatoes to make? Meanums, mashed potatoes, and potato casserole, and potato wedges, and
Roasted potato.
French fries.
Yeah.
All of that comes from potatoes. And you know what? I am so thankful for all these different kinds of fruits and vegetables. When we eat all the different kinds, we can be healthy and grow big and strong. So, it's almost time for our bread to come out. We're giving it 10 minutes in the oven. And we're going to go check on it right now and bring it back for you to see once those 10 minutes are up.
What does that sound mean?
It's done.
That sound means the oven is all done baking the bread, and Rob is going to bring it back so we can see it. Can you smell fresh bread?
Yeah.
It smells good. Here comes our bread. Ooh. They started
Don't touch it,
small
it's
and
very
now they're
hot.
kind of puffy.
They're really puffy and they smell so good. You know what, Liza? I'm going to have you sit back down and I'm going to put it right here.
Come sit down, okay?
We've put it on a hot pad so that it doesn't burn anything. Take a seat.
So when we let our bread cool, we might put a little bit of butter on it and maybe a little bit of
This
jam.
is mine.
That's the one you made. Or maybe a little bit of honey.
There's nothing like good fresh bread.
And there's also nothing like good fruits and vegetables.
So we encourage you this week to ask your mom and dad if you can try a new vegetable. Maybe it's an eggplant. Or maybe it's something else you've never even tried before, like a Brussels sprout, or an asparagus,
Banana.
or a rutabaga,
Ooh.
or a kohlrabi. Try something new this week and see if it isn't the tastiest thing you've ever had before.
Or banana.
Or you can always have a banana
I
too.
think Goldie would like to try all of these things. She's eyeing it and she's drooling. It looks so good. But right now she just drinks milk.
Well, we've come to the end of our story time this week, which this week isn't our story time, it's our baking time. And so, take a seat, Eliza, and we're going to sing Our Baking Time is Over.
Oh no! She's ready.
Our baking time is over, and we are going now. Goodbye, goodbye, be always kind and true. Goodbye, goodbye, be always kind and true. Let's wave goodbye, Eliza.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.